How to log into my Cigna Provider Portal. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can log into my Cigna. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's start with the video. So in order to log into my Cigna portal, there are certain steps you need to follow. You may just open up your browser in either your phone or your laptop. After that, simply search for my Cigna, and after that you'll be able to see this interface where you'll be finding different kind of links. So you're just gonna click on the very first link, that is the official link of my Cigna, which is my.cigna.com. After that, simply tap on the first link, and when you tap on it, you'll be redirected to another page where you can easily log in. So you may just choose your login credentials like your phone number or your email address. After that, your username, and just tap on password. So you may just use using your username and password, but if you don't have an account, you may just register it by simply tapping on register and go on with the process of creating your account. And after that onwards, whenever you are trying to log in, just come to mycigna.com and just enter your username and password, and you should be easily logged into the MyCigna portal. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to log into MyCigna very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.